At Circus Camp, we have just a ton of things that they do. We have 7 stations. At one station, we do unicycling. The other station, we have barrel walking and stilts. We have air pogo and pogo sticks, acrobatics, flying rings, tightrope walking, juggling, just a bunch of different fun activities.
My favorite part is learning how to use the tightrope. It's really fun and it's really hard at first, but it gets kind of easy.
The thing is, we live in a society where children are used to staying at home, being couch potatoes, watching TV, playing video games. They really need to do something where they stay active, so they need to go on out. And Park Takes gives them just the ability to choose from a variety of camps and to be able to stay active and live a healthy and active lifestyle. You can choose from hundreds of camps, anywhere from traditional camps like basketball, softball, baseball, soccer, or you can even pick non-traditional camps. And we have magic camps, circus camps, summer musical. So there are just a host of different camps all over Fairfax County. To learn more about all the different camps, just go to fairfaxcounty.gov/parks, click on Park Takes, and it'll open up your world to a whole new set of camps.